concrete? Who else out here loves concrete? Anybody? There you go. There you go. You all should love concrete. Concrete is the most used building material in the world. We use it in our buildings. We use it in our recreational activities. We use it in the homes that we live in. And we use it in our infrastructure that gets us from place to place. Concrete's great. Over 500 million cubic yards of concrete are poured each year. However, concrete has a big problem, cracking. Is anybody here from the Midwest or Northeast? Yeah? Okay. You guys know what I'm talking about. You ever driven down a road that maybe hadn't been maintained for a few years and you hit all those damn potholes, right? Or for the rest of you, do you like sitting in road repair traffic? Or maybe if you enjoy playing tennis, have you ever played tennis on a concrete court that had cracks and the ball bounced all weird directions? Well, that's the problem that we're talking about. Concrete has an inherent tendency to crack. So that's one of the problems that we're going to talk about. The other problem is the scrap tire problem. Now, scrap tires contribute to our landfills. They provide an ideal breeding ground for disease-carrying rodents and mosquitoes, and they can lead to tire fires. Now, tire fires are very difficult to extinguish. They're expensive to extinguish, and they also pollute our air, water, and soil. For example, in 1999, a lightning strike ignited a fire in Wesley, California. This fire took 30 days to put out, and the EPA response costs were $3.5 million. So this is the other problem that we're going to discuss. So what's the solution? Well, our solution is to work with the crumb rubber manufacturing industry. They take these scrap tires, they grind them down into very fine particles called crumb rubber, and then we're going to take that material and work with the ready-mix concrete companies. We're going to put that crumb rubber into the concrete, and when we do that, we actually change the physical characteristics of the concrete itself and greatly improve the durability. So we have the exclusive license from ASU on this crumb rubber concrete mix design. We're very excited about it, and it creates a solution that is both superior to concrete as well as alternative materials to concrete, such as asphalt. Many people think that asphalt is the answer to the cracking problem with concrete, but the problem is asphalt has its own problems as well. Our solution is superior to both. So here we have some of the advantages that crumb rubber concrete has over regular concrete as well as asphalt. As I mentioned before, durability is a huge advantage, especially in regards to the reduction of cracking. That allows you to do such things as to pour a larger slab with less control joints. It also helps you reduce your maintenance as well as your maintenance costs. For example, if you have a surface, you don't have to resurface it every couple of years like you would an asphalt surface. And along with that, since we're using a recycled material, it reduces your environmental impact. So as you can see, this is a disruptive technology. Now, have any of you heard the Frank's Red Hot Sauce commercial, the radio commercial? Anybody? A couple people? That's, the one where the little old lady, she's talking to her church or her family, and she has a bottle of Frank's Red Hot Sauce in her hands, and she says, I put that shpeep in everything. Well, that's kind of how we feel about crumb rubber concrete. We want to put that shpeep in everything. Anything that lays flat or flat work or is vertical in a non-load-bearing fashion is a potential application for crumb rubber concrete. Just by varying the amount of crumb rubber that we put into the concrete, we can actually create a new mix design for another application. So due to the existing supply chain and the excitement of the customers that we've talked to already, our initial target market will be recreational courts. Our business model will be to license the technology and to broker the crumb rubber to a small group of recreational court installers. Mixx Systems is made up of Seth Williams, my partner, and myself, Chad Eby. Seth and I began a year ago towards creating a company focused on improving construction technology. Seth has a master's in engineering from ASU and has experience in manufacturing and product management. I have an MBA from ASU and experience in the home building as well as construction industries. Through our various contacts, we met Dr. Camille Kalouche, who is on our advisory board and is an internationally recognized expert in crumb rubber. Through the Furnace program, we met Carl Nablo, who is a successful entrepreneur, also on our advisory board, with a proven track record in technology and industrial ventures. Here we have our financial info for our phase one. As I mentioned before, our phase one is actually going to consist of our initial target market, which will be the recreational courts, as well as another application that we're working on currently with Dr. Camille Kalouche in concrete roof tiles. Phase two could include anything from noise barriers along highways, concrete barriers, warehouse floors, decorative concrete, etc. Now, our operating expenses consist of, there's some licensing fees, things like that, as well as some overheads. But we're not going to have the capital costs, we're not going to have the material costs, since our business model really is to license the technology. We've had several interested parties that have already contacted us. We've talked to a private equity group, we've talked to a crumb rubber technology company, we've talked to a venture group that backs that crumb rubber technology. We've talked to a local municipality and their city engineer, and we've talked to several construction companies, including Cal Portland, which is one of the largest material suppliers in the western region, who we met with at the World of Concrete. So we're quickly moving down that path, making those crucial relationships, and we're moving down the path to profitability. We're extremely excited about the opportunities presented by crumb rubber concrete. If you are too, please come and talk to us at our booth. Thank you for your time.